everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 484 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another new NYX product that I picked up at the NYX store. This is the #ThisIsEverything lip oil. And so I got this in the shade Thai 005. So, well, I chose the pinkish one, and it comes in 5 different shades, and this retails for $6. Oh, it says the shade Sheer Blush. But so this just sounds like a really nice lip treatment. It contains almond oil, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, which sounds so nice for my super dry lips. So this is the 4th new NYX product that I've tried out from my recent trip to the NYX store at my mall, and I still have one more to try out, but I have loved everything I got so far, so I am really impressed by NYX these days. So let's hope that I like this one. Let's see the applicator. Oh, that's very flexible. It's the rounded tip doe foot applicator. So this is what it looks like. Let's see how it swatches. Oh yeah, you can see a little bit of a tint of pink. And it's a pretty thick oil. When I think oil, sometimes I think of like a very thin, like runny liquid, but this is actually pretty thick. It's more like a lip gloss texture is how I would describe it. Looks like it has really nice shine as well. I also read that this has a nice scent to it. Ooh. It does. This smells so nice. It smells florally and fresh. Ooh, this is my favorite scent of all of the NYX products I've tried recently. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's see how it looks on my lips. Oh my gosh. That shine! Wow, it makes my lips look like glass. Wow, that is really nice. It didn't really give much of a pink tint, but it does kind of like when it shines, kind of catches the light, that glossiness does have some slight light pink effect to it. So this is a little bit different than I was expecting. I thought it would be just like kind of a lip treatment, would be kind of thin, just more of like a oil, more like water-based almost. But this is very like thick, really nice, smooth on the lips. It's basically like a lip gloss. I would say that this is more just like a really nice lip gloss. But if it's going to be extra nourishing on my dry lips, then this is like an enhanced lip gloss. But I am very impressed by this Sheen. I think it looks really pretty. So this would also be a great lip topper. So I'm very happy with this product. Another super successful NYX product, and it really hydrated my lips. My lips look fully moisturized. They look so hydrated. They look smoothed out. All of those wrinkles and like chapped parts of my lips look smooth. So I am so impressed by how effective this is. I think this is going to become my new purse lip gloss, where it's just a lip gloss that I want to apply all the time with any makeup look on top of any other lip products. This is just a great product to have on hand at all times. Like, this makes me feel so confident in how my lips look. And when I can find a product that does that for me, it's a product that I need to stock up on. So let me know if you've tried this and what your thoughts are on it. If you recommend any of the other colors that I should pick up, let me know. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.